Hey everyone, we are Team BabyMe, a quick and easy way to find a daycare that meets your needs. Our team includes me, Benita, Angelica, and Heather. Daycare is a necessity for busy working parents in the United States, but the process of finding a daycare that meets all of the parents' requirements is not quite as simple as it could be. 80% of the parents we interviewed wish that there was one accurate source of information that they could turn to. Sure, they could do a quick Google search, but what about the other information that parents need in order to make a decision? To make matters worse, 40% of the parents we surveyed said that their biggest issue was finding an open spot at any of the daycares in their area. Our solution helps parents find daycares that meet their personal requirements. Our app provides a filter for key parameters that parents consider important in their daycare search. Daycare facilities will be able to create an account and update their information, such as how many open spots are available. For the MVP, we only focused on the parent user and simplified process of finding a daycare based on their preferences. Angelica will tell you more about the design process.
Hi, so Benita started us off with some user research, reaching out to about 5 parents with a parent experience about their child care searching. We created personas based off their experiences and proceeded with a competitive analysis of 3 sites with similar missions to help with child care searches. As a group, we went through our user story mapping before going on with site mapping and user flows for the site. Finally, sketches, mid and high fidelity wireframes were created. Due to time constraints, we weren't able to get to user testing, but this is definitely something we wanted to get in to see if any adjustments need to be made. Now I'm going to hand you off to Heather, and she's going to walk you through our demo.
Hi, thanks. So when the user first comes to our landing page, they're going to click on the Let's Get Started button, and it's going to find their user location. If there's no daycares in their area, they can also search by zip code or by city name. Once on that area, they can click on the marker to see more information about that daycare. They can also filter the parameters to only see the daycares with those parameters in them, and it will give them more information.
So something that I learned as the product manager for this project is that prioritization is key in order to make sure we're providing value to our users.
For me, it was about pacing, both as an individual worker and as a group, just to meet our quick deadlines within this short time period.
And I learned having a team is really important, especially to communicate with project owner and the designer to come up with realistic goals for an MVP.
Thank you for listening to our presentation.